Whoa, great lighting here. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. It's Christmas Eve evening and I've had a couple of mulled wines, I'm not gonna lie. I'm off out to the pub fairly soon to go and see the girls, but I'm gonna pop to my mum's first and have some dinner with her. Oh, itchy nose. Merry Christmas.
Today we're learning how to drink Amstel.
Merry Christmas. I'm honestly just trying to remember a time that I wasn't hungover on Christmas Day. Merry Christmas. Oh. So it's only me and my two friends today. Are you joking? My hormones have messed up so much. I can't believe I've actually got acne now. It's so bad. I'm so self-conscious of it. It's awful. It's actually the 27th of December today, so I missed out Boxing Day and when I was actually sober on Christmas Day, because when I woke up in the morning I was nad sober, as you guys will just have seen. That was not good. That was probably one of the worst hangovers I've had for a really long time. That is what happens when you don't drink often and then you drink 2 bottles of red wine. So silly, so silly. But I'm feeling normal now. So today I'm having a super chilled day. I've got a busy day tomorrow. I've got a blood test, then I'm going for a walk with the girls, then I'm seeing Katie and Em in the evening. So I've got a busy day then. And then Friday I'm back at work. So today's my super chilled day. I'm going to go for a little walk later on. But I just wanted to show you just a little bit about what I got for Christmas. The most exciting thing. So as you guys know, it's like a bit of a thing on my channel that I always wear my dressing gown. Which is here, but to my astonishment, what did my grandpa buy me? I have got the fluffiest, this is so fluffy, new dressing gown and new pyjamas. Oh my goodness, it's so cold. I have come out for a walk and I have written myself a letter about everything that has happened with my parents' divorce over the past 2 years and how I want to go into 2018 with a positive mindset and not holding on to grudges and not being negative, because the only person that negativity affects is yourself. So I've written myself a letter about everything to, I guess, try and have a bit of closure on it, even though it's not closed and it's not finished and it's going to be sort of ongoing forever, I guess, because my parents are never going to be together again. But it kind of gives me some closure and something to work forwards from. But it's bloody windy and I don't even know if this is going to light, but let's have a go and let's see if we can get over this divorce. It's getting there. And cold. It is Thursday morning right now. This radio is going to be really loud. So I've still got my snowboard in the boot. Thursday the 28th of December. I'm off to the doctor's now. I'm having a blood test because the doctor told me that I needed to have one because of my hormones are getting all messed up, I think. That was horrible. Needed to be done, so homeward bound. At least it didn't take very long. Rather, oh my god, it's carnage in this place. Excuse me, sir, can you please move? Thank you. This car park at my doctor's is absolutely awful. It's carnage. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Right. Oh, it feels weird. Feels really weird. So I'm gonna drive home now. I've got a little bit of tidying to do, and then. Oh.
No, Angel.
Oh. That car's been abandoned.
Oh yeah. Abandoned car. Really? The bank will close. I'm scared.
Oh god!
This snow is so much better.
Yeah, that snow's fine. It's New Year's Eve and I feel like I've not vlogged properly for a good few days now. Yesterday was just a massive, like, organising house job day. Like, I did my ironing, I washed my car, I did the food shopping, I made a cake, carrot cake, which I just iced. Yes, queen. And now I'm having a nice day today and I'm going to go snowboarding. We're going to the Chill Factor. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I'm just uber hooked. So I just need to make sure that I warm up when I get there. So that we don't have hopefully as bad of an injury as we did last time. I need to find myself a hat. Should I wear this one? Yeah, I think we'll go with, oh no. Yeah, we're gonna go with the fluffy. No, no. We'll go with, oh, none of these hats go. I don't know where the hat I wore last time is. Okay, we'll just go with this one. Okay, so, yeah, I am just going to set off now. I'm going to buy myself a membership so that I can go there like once a week because I want to make sure that when I go on my ski holiday this year, I am good enough to snowboard whilst I'm there instead of ski. So I'm going to drop my board in to get waxed and we'll go from there.